I hereby sentence the convicts to life imprisonment.
What you're doing is not law.
Please.
You don't know the law.
Please.
Show me. I said, show me where you have the right to waive my right to final address. Show me. It's what the Constitution says. Show me. Show me. You cannot show me.
I'll come back.
You cannot show me.
Can you please?
You cannot show me because you don't know the law.
Alright, so yesterday being Thursday, 20th November 2025, Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, was sentenced to life imprisonment. Now that one no be my problem, Sha. That's not my problem because personally, I never liked his attitude. I don't like him as a person. But I felt what the country, Nigeria, is doing is wrong. How do I mean? He was convicted on the charges of terrorism and inciting violence. Now, in the north, we have a lot of terrorists, known terrorists, and people that have been inciting violence in the north. In Benue State, there have been a lot of unaliving of innocent people. In Plateau State, there have been a lot of unaliving of innocent people. Nnamdi Kanu was convicted for a lot of reasons, one of which is the fact that he incited the unaliving of police officer and military men. But in the north, they're doing it actively, and they know these leaders that are doing it. Instead, one Gumi is coming out to say that they should negotiate with these people for peace. The government should negotiate with terrorists for peace, but you just arrested somebody and sentenced him to life imprisonment. And these terrorist leaders are coming out, holding meetings in communities, even taking chieftaincy titles. Allegedly. Is it not this same Gumi man that came out and said the wife of the president should be unalive because she's an infidel? What did they do to him? He's still moving around, he's still free. Even he's like an advisor to the president. This is a proof of what I just said. Now, I don't have a problem with who is advising who or who is, but if you're dishing out justice, you should do it equally. If we're dishing out justice, we should do it equally. It's so unfortunate that in Nigeria now we have three governments. Allegedly, we have three governments. We have the civilian government, we have the military government, and we have the terrorist government. Allegedly, Gumi is the ambassador of the terrorist government.
I hereby sentence the convicts to life imprisonment for the said counts 1, 4, 5, and 6 instead of death sentence. Life is sacred to God. With respect to count 3, he is hereby sentenced to 20 years imprisonment without no option or fine. For count 7, he is sentenced to 5 years imprisonment without no option or fine. To extend the mercy, I hereby order that the sentence shall run concurrently. And due to the nature of the offenses that borders on terrorism and the attitude, violent nature of the defendants that I have taken judicial notice. The last adjourned date, he was so unruly and expressed violence, even was about to beat the security officers there. this money, he repeated same. That has been his trait, his attitude. So I have no hesitation in coming to the conclusion that convicts has the tendency of violence. The tendency of violence has not left him. It is based on this that he must be kept in facility that is suitable for his custody, as putting him in Kuje Correctional Center may not be appropriate. And also, I take judicial notice and that for conclusion of the judgment and from the exhibits that I've analyzed in my judgments, substantially, the convicts made use of computer device like phones in making broadcasts to incite and call for all these atrocities. It is based on that without hesitation, I agree with the counsel to the prosecution that the convicts must not be allowed near any digital device, and if he must be closely monitored by the Office of the National Security Advisor. And also, with the atrocities, the number of killings, and the effect of the acts of the convicts on the people of Southeast, I think it deserved protective custody. Due to this offense, I ordered that if the convicts be kept in protective custody in any custodial center in any part of the country. And also, the objects of crime in respect of Camp 7 that has to do with the transmitter. The transmitter is hereby forfeited to the federal government.
Constitutionally mandated right which I must be granted. It is in the constitution of this very country that final written addresses, my Lord, must be granted. I have not waived it, my Lord, and I insist that I address this court on all these issues. My Lord, do not forget.
The defendants,
my Lord,
consultants, can you tell your...
My Lord, I'm not, please, let me finish. Please. It's my case. It is my case, my Lord, let me finish. My Lord, in this very court, Emeka Itiaba SAN was here, my Lord. Emeka Itiaba SAN said, at the right time we will contradict or controvert a piece of evidence. A piece of evidence given in this very court. I need to write my final written address, my Lord. I must.
Count charge which with does.
My Lord, my Lord, I'm saying it clearly.
Defender.
I am entitled to final written address.
Defender.
What is my final written address? It's in the Constitution. My final written address.
Defendant.
My Lord, my final written address. Where is it?
Can you listen to the court?
I'm not, my Lord, please.
Can you listen to the court?
Please, my Lord. I need to file my final written address. It's in the Constitution.
I appeal to you to compose yourself this temple of justice.
My Lord, you are biased. You are biased. This is not law. You are biased. It's not law.
Please, I beg you to compose yourself.
My Lord, this is not law. Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address.
I beg you to compose yourself.
Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address. And I'll sit down. Show me. My Lord, you are conducting their case for them. You are the one running their case for them. Let them show me that the prosecution. Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address. And I'll sit down.
You have the right to appeal after.
No, my Lord. This is a perversion of the cause of justice. This is not law. It is not law.
Can you excuse me?
My Lord, I cannot excuse. I didn't get it. It's not possible. It is not possible, my Lord. You must show me where the Constitution says you have the right to waive my written address. You must show me. Show me. Show me where it says so. Show me. Show me where it says so.
Excuse him.
Is that why you brought the cameras? Is that why you brought them today?
Please.
You didn't bring it before. You brought it today.
Please.
Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. Show me.
Please.
Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. I said, show me. Show me.
Excuse.
Show me.
Get the microphone for him.
No, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. I said, leave it. It's a court of law. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. I have to speak. I'm under trial and I have to speak. Listen to me. Listen to me, please. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. And I must address the court. Wait. No, listen to me. Please. The judge must listen to me. No. Wait. Wait. I'm asking a very simple question. No. Wait. Please. Look, this is Supreme Court. Wait, hold on. This is Supreme Court here. Hold on a second. Hold on. I said hold on. May I start? This is not a court of law. It's not a court of law. What you're doing is not law. You don't know the law. Show me. I said show me where you have the right to waive my right to final address. Show me. It's what the Constitution says. Show me. Show me. You cannot show me.
I'll come back.
You cannot show me.
Can you please?
You cannot show me because you don't know the law. You can't show me.
All right.
Wait, hold on. Don't touch me. Don't you dare touch me. People who don't know about show me where it says you can waive my right. Show me the place I'm asking you. Show me. Show me. Show me. Which law says you can try me an unwritten law? Show me. You cannot show me. And you're a judge. You claim you're a judge. You don't know law. You don't know law. Nonsense. Where is the final written address? Where is it? Which law gave you the right to waive my final written address? Which law gave you that right? Nonsense. You can try this with me. You try with me. Of your man. What's this one doing here? What are you 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 doing here? This is the one that attacked me. This is the fool that attacked me. That's the idiot that attacked me. That's the fool. Don't touch me. Don't push me. I'm going. Don't touch. Don't touch me. I'm warning you. Don't touch me. I'm warning you. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I said don't touch me. Don't. Smart people. You don't know law. Show me where it says you can waive my right to final address. Show me the law. Show me the law. I want to show me the law. You don't know law. They are remoting you. You are writing rubbish. Show me the law. Unaddressed affidavit. You say you put it and you do their job for them. God will punish you now and forever. Any judgment, let it be on record. Any judgment in this court is rubbish. Ask him that is the law.